Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to use Apple Pay with Venmo tap to pay iPhone. So here's a simple workaround on how you can easily do that. So the first thing to do, you have to make sure or ensure your device is compatible. So use an iPhone XX or a newer version, also running on iOS 16.7 or later with Venmo app installed and updated. Then after that, you have to ensure you have to switch to a Venmo business profile. So open the Venmo app and log into your business profile, not personal. So if you don't have one, create or convert your account to a business profile in settings. Then after that, you have to complete the identity verification. So Venmo will ask for verification details like SSN, your address, and your possible photo ID. Then this step require to enable tap to pay. And after that, in the app tap charge, then choose tap to pay on iPhone. Then read and accept the terms. Then you will need to connect or log into your Apple ID and set a password or a passcode. Then also grant the location access. So turn on the location access for Venmo in your iPhone settings, then which require for tap to pay to function. Then after that, make a tap to pay charge. So tap charge, then enter the amount and select tap to pay. Then hold your iPhone towards the customer, then tap their Apple Pay countless card or digital wallet at the top of your phone. Then after it goes through, send or email a receipt if needed. And that's how you can easily use Apple Pay with Venmo tap to pay iPhone. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.